Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all my old subscribers and to my new subscribers, welcome. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to see future content. Today I got a special treat for you guys. We will be embroidering a heartwarming autism heart design using a HappyJapan Embroidery. This is the design right here, everybody. Check that out. This design not only raises autism awareness, but also makes the perfect gift for a loved one or somebody you know with autism. So let's dive in and get started embroidering this heart autism design, all right? Let's go. All right, guys, our next step is we're gonna set up our HappyJapan embroidery machine. The HappyJapan embroidery machine, I've had this machine for a good year. And I can tell you guys that I've never had any source of issues with this machine that wasn't my fault. So this machine has been going strong for a year. I love the machine. It's a 12 needle machine. And if you guys are in the market to buy a multi-needle machine, look at this brand, HappyJapan. I will link their website in the description. All right, so we're gonna load our design. We're gonna go here. We're gonna click our USB thumb drive, which the thumb drive goes into the back of the machine right here. You press the USB thumb drive. It's gonna search for your pattern. I have HappyJapan folder, and we're gonna load our autism heart design. Now this machine takes DST files. Then we're gonna press OK. And then we press home. So now our autism heart design is gonna load up on the screen right there. And our next thing we have to do is choose the colors for our design. All right, we'll choose some real bright contrasting colors. So we're gonna choose red. I already have it up there. We're gonna use this red by Moderna. We're gonna use this yellow. We're gonna use this blue right here. And we're also gonna use this green. All right. So we have our design loaded. So let's pick our colors. We're gonna come here. So that first color right there is gonna be blue. Blue is on number 10. And our next color is gonna be red, which is number 3. Our next color is gonna be yellow, which is number 4. Our next color is gonna be green, which is number 8. Once you have all of your colors set up on your machine, you press home and you are ready to go. After that, now I'm using a 5x5 mighty hoop. I don't have the hoop in there yet, but we have plenty of space. But you still want to do a trace before you start. So let's go load our hoop with our fabric and everything. We'll get back over here to the machine after that step. So now that we have our threads in the machine and our design loaded, now we gotta hoop our fabric, which I'm gonna be using a 5x5 mighty hoop for. And I'm gonna also be using a medium weight stabilizer and a soft piece of fabric. Make sure your fabric is wrinkle free and tightly secured into the hoop to ensure smooth embroidery. So let's go ahead and hoop our fabric. All right, gonna take the back of our hoop, lay it down. Then we're gonna lay down our stabilizer, which is tailway stabilizer. And then we're gonna lay down our piece of fabric on top of the stabilizer. And then we're gonna take the front of the hoop and we're just gonna, just like that. And then we're gonna pull out the wrinkles. You don't want it too tight. You just want it to be like a drum. You don't want it too tight. So no wrinkles in the back. No wrinkles in the front, everybody. So we're gonna take our hoop over to the machine and we're gonna get started on our autism. Now it's almost time to start embroidering, everybody. We're gonna put our hoop in, that in. Now we're gonna come over to the machine and we're gonna do a quick trace. So we're gonna go here, or you can just press the quick trace button, depends on how you have your machine set up. And we're gonna trace. It's gonna trace with this needle right there. We just wanna make sure it's not gonna hit the edges of the hoop. Because if you hit the edges of the hoop, you can ruin your machine, all right? And we don't wanna do that. All right, that everything is looking good. All right, so now we have our design ready. We have our hoop ready. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start the design. And what I'm gonna do a little quick time lapse with a little bit of music, and I'm gonna let y'all watch this machine do its magic. All right, our autism heart design is complete. We're gonna come over here. As you can see, it's complete. So now we're gonna take it out of the hoop. And you wanna carefully remove the hoop from the machine. And then we're gonna take our hoop over to here. And then we're gonna carefully take the fabric out of the hoop. And you want to check out your design. You see it? Nice. You want to look at the back of your design. Back of the design looks great. No puckering. Everything is flat. And now you're checking your designs for any like loose threads. If you have any like loose threads, you want to trim those off and stuff. And then you want to take your tailway stabilizer and you just want to rip it off like that. And your design is complete, everyone. There you have it. Stunning, colorful autism heart design created with the HappyJapan Embroidery machine. All right, guys, that's the design. You can find this design right here on my Etsy page, everybody. Go to my Etsy page. The link is in the description. This design is going to come in 3 or 4 different sizes. I'm thinking about adding another size to it, but it will have most embroidery files up there for you to download. So you have a Melco, you have a Tajima, you have a HappyJapan, you have a Brother, you have a Ricoma. Just make sure your machine file is posted in the description before purchasing the actual design. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more embroidery tips and tricks and projects. And make sure y'all leave a comment below if you have got any questions or anything like that. And if you like to share your own autism heart design creations, go ahead, let me know. I'll look for it. And until next time, peace.